Everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you watched my last video, then you know I am preparing to do my first ever handmade sewn collection drop. I'm going to be releasing wristlets and book sleeves. So many of you guys have been asking if I'm planning to do any sewn items on my shop, and I am very soon. So in this video, I just kind of want to prepare for that, and I want to design some bookmarks to actually match the book sleeves, which I plan on doing that in next video, where I will just do like a whole handmade small art business video designing bookmarks, making maybe some stickers to go with that launch. So I'm very excited for that. I need to just kind of clean up and organize. It won't be next week's video, but probably the week after that. I will film my entire process of making that collection, so you'll see everything I plan on releasing. It is going to be a limited drop, so there'll just be a certain amount of each item. Because this is very new to me and I don't know how it's going to go, I don't want to go too crazy like I normally do and then just have a bunch of items sitting around, which of course I would use everything. I'm biased and I think everything is super cute, but I just want to make sure that I'm just not going too crazy, especially with the book sleeves, because they're pretty time consuming to make. There'll probably be a very limited amount of those, but definitely leave in the comments, what are your favorite styles? Do you prefer the book sleeves with the ribbon, or do you like it kind of long ways without the ribbon? But let's go ahead and get into organizing and clean up my craft room a little bit. And then I have 2 orders I need to pack, so I think I'll go ahead and do that as well and just get that done. And then we'll start kind of prepping for my sewing launch. I'm gonna go ahead and pack these 2 orders. So Evelyn from Australia, which is really cool, got 2 bookmarks. The sunflower and the lemon both are laminated. And then I also got 1 order on my website for Natalie. Natalie got the fall frog without laminate. I love this one. I think it's so cute. I'm so excited for fall. I cannot wait. I wish I could just hibernate until October and just wake up when the weather is cool. And not gonna lie, I am very much ready for pumpkin cream cold brews. I am obsessed. I love those. It's my favorite. I always get a venti pumpkin cream cold brew with extra caramel drizzle. And oh my gosh, my stomach is just like growling just thinking about it. I love it. I'm so ready for it. I wish I could make them at home, and I just cannot figure out how to do a good cold brew from home. I am watching a lot of TikToks on how to make like special lattes and stuff. I really want to try the banana bread latte. It looks so good, but instead I've been doing kind of like a brown sugar caramel one. So I'll just put like a tablespoon of brown sugar and then some caramel drizzle in the glass, and then I will brew the espresso over that, and then either froth it or just stir it and pour it over milk and ice. But yeah, I have these 2 bookmarks. They are both going to be shipped out hopefully tomorrow. And yeah, so let me go ahead and pack these 2 orders. Okay, decided to go with an Alani. If you guys watch Destiny Sidwell, she is a book YouTuber. She used to drink these all the time. And I remember always watching her drink the cherry slush one and always talking about like how good they are. And I know energy drinks are not healthy for you, but they sure taste good. And I was kind of having a little bit of FOMO and I saw one at the gas station once and I picked it up. And I've kind of been hooked ever since. This one is the peach flavor. My favorite is the cherry slush. I also like the strawberry slush, and then the like Halloween one is really good. It's like a green apple. Those are my favorites. Okay, orders are packed. So now I kind of want to organize. I would love to know if any of you are into sewing. How do you organize your fabrics? Do you have like a special way of doing it where it's really easy to grab them and you can see all of them? As you guys have probably seen, I kind of just have mine all stuffed in this organizer in one of these little like cube shelf things, and it's really hard to pull them out and be able to see all of them. I have seen a couple other girls on YouTube who have like a hanging shelf and then have them on their bolts and like have them all up. But unfortunately, I can't really hang a lot of stuff on the walls because we are in a rental. So I don't have the luxury of doing that. And it is so cramped in here already, but I really want to figure out a way to organize them a little bit better. Really the only thing I need to kind of figure out what to do with is this batting. It's just so bulky and I don't know where to put it, so I keep kind of moving it back and forth from this chair to my sewing area because I don't know where to put it and I just don't have any room. So yeah, let me know if you guys prefer the book sleeve with the tie ribbon or the long ways without the ribbon. That way I can know what to focus on when I do decide to launch them. I love the ribbon, but I know everyone probably doesn't love a bow, but you guys can definitely let me know. I am for sure going to do this combination for a book sleeve and probably this one as well, just because I think it's really cute and really nice for fall reading. So yeah. So for my wristlets, I know I'm going to end up using the cherry fabric. A lot of you guys really love this one. I think it's super cute. So I will be using that one. I also think I'm going to release it in this like orange and peach teal like turquoise fabric as well. I think it's really cute for summer. I'll do a few in the strawberry fabric, and then I think also maybe a few in this pink floral fabric could look really cute as well. I want to do some in this black cherry fabric. A lot of you guys also loved this one. White and black floral. I think I'll also maybe use this one. Okay, I think these are all of the wristlet fabrics I'm going to start with, and then we'll see kind of how it goes with these. And if I want to buy any more, if Hobby Lobby has any sales this week, then I might get some extra fabrics, but as of right now, I think I'll start with all of these. In my, not next week, but the weekend after, I think that is when I'm going to actually sew and prep all of my wristlets and book sleeves. But so far, I think these are the fabrics that I will use for the wristlets. And then for sure, for the book sleeves, I will do a strawberry one and the cherry one with the plaid fabric on the inner lining. I think that will be really cute for summer. And then maybe a couple other fabrics, just so there are some options for you guys to choose from. But yes, that will be a whole video of me prepping all of my sewn items for my first collection. And then I may do a few with the added charm in case anyone does want some with the charm. So I think I want to make at least one wristlet with each fabric and just be able to see what it's going to look like. And then also maybe do some polls over on Instagram and find out if you guys like these fabrics as well before I just make a whole bunch for my first drop. So I definitely am going to do all 4 of these fabrics for the wristlets. So I need to see how this one's going to look. The cat, the bees, pink floral. So I am doing the cherry, the oranges and peach, the strawberry, the white cherry. So those are all for sure. And then maybe see how this one will look and this little bee. So I think I'm gonna make a wristlet with each of these fabrics. So let's go ahead and get started. I cut one exactly 13 inches long and one 14 inches, so then I can see which size I like the best. But I do think this fabric is going to be pretty. I do like this fabric. I think it's really cute and subtle, but I'm not sure on the length. So this is the 13 inch. I think I'm gonna try either an 11 or 12 and see how that fits, because there's a lot of room in this one. So I'm kind of wondering if I do, like I said, 11 or 12, if that would be a little bit better. So yeah, let me go ahead and cut this fabric to maybe an 11 and just see how that looks.